Alright, yeah. Okay. Ah, so loud, aren't they? Yeah, let's get an hour of this done. Alright, so if I look up gray box, here we go. Okay, and then this one can actually just, yeah, that shouldn't be bad script, so I'll just have these to the side and then we'll block out an area. Yeah, I'm not sure why I just did that, but okay. Anyways, so let's get a couple of parts over here. Get rid of the spawn location. And let's do it. So I generally want to have a pretty large playing area. Something maybe like that. Let's get an R6 dummy to see what this looks like. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is a pretty good playing field. Yeah, I like it. Let's see what the distance really looks like. Might be a little too large though. So maybe try shrinking it down just a bit. Yeah, I'd say this is about right-ish. Because we're also going to have multiple layers. And I'll show you what that is going to look like. So, the way we're probably going to start this is by making something like that. I actually had an old map of mine that I want to try to replicate if I can. If I can't, it's always fine, but, you know, it'd be nice if I could. So let's actually make a couple of trees. Something like this, and then we're gonna get one of these. Literally just making this like a Lego. Not that bad. Ah, alright. Now, let's grab all of that, and then put this down, and then we're going to extend it by 2 out in every direction. Well, no, actually, we'll extend it out by 1, I'd say. And then we go down one more time. This one will extend out by 2. And then there's no wedge, is there? Nope. Unfortunate, but who cares? It's alright. looks wrong. Yeah, this is fine. Alright, this is a tree. Tree. Alright, so we have a couple of those. Let's again get this rig under here. Yeah, I mean that's not exactly tree height, but it doesn't matter all that much. So we're gonna have trees, we're gonna have a house, or multiple houses actually, because these are gonna be used to kind of hide in the play arena and, you know, run around in. They have to be kind of open though, that's the only problem. Yeah, I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do this one. I guess starting out by a decent layout. Oh yeah, I gotta get the chat on here. Hold up, let's see. In case anyone shows up. Which is probably unlikely, but who knows? Who knows? Yeah, why did this no work? Edit video. I can do this from here. Oh, from here. Okay. Yeah, why can't I? Strange. Yeah, I'm not really sure what to do now. Can't really check chat, although I wish I could. So, it's whatever. No one's probably chatting. How to pop out YouTube chat. Whoa, what? Oh, manage. Okay. Live. Dashboard, maybe? No. Anyways, yeah, really not sure what I want to do here. I guess I also need to make running and stuff and all of that. How to make a Roblox running animation. side view. Alright, GIF. Alright, yeah, I'm probably gonna do this. I feel like making a running animation will tend to work in my favor. Yeah. Where is this? Oh, here. Alright. No longer play blocks. This is hide. Survive. Day one of this is simply making running animations. Make running anim. Anything else? Nah, not really. Don't really have much else. Studio mode, maybe? No, it's not. Nope. Yeah, okay. Let's see, view maybe, docs. Ooh, YouTube live control panel. Okay, let's do this. Hold up. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my goodness. I need two-factor authentication. What is this? Yes, it's me. I know. Alright, now I have a control panel. Oh, lower settings maybe? Let's increase the bit rate. Apply. Okay. Oh my goodness. No! Alright. 1350 or 13500. Alright. Now let's try 13500. 13500. Apply. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Yeah, let's get to this. All right. Let's get to work on this. First thing we want to do is actually make the player be able to run. Now, I'm not sure if I want to make it a shift thing. Because if I do, then we're going to have to get the... Ah, no. No, no, no. I want to be R6. No. Avatar, yeah. Avatar settings, I bet. And then it's R6 only. Save changes. Alright. So, now there's that. I'm probably gonna have to make a couple of like server announcement stuff on... who cares? That's for later me to figure out. Alright, so in player scripts are going to go here, and we are going to call this run script. Alright. I'm going to say local is running is equal to false. Then, oh, actually, we got to get UIS, so game.:get service, user input service. We say UIS.input began connect function, and then we're gonna do all that stuff later, but for right now it's fine. Okay, input began connect function, and there we go. Now we say services events. Now we're gonna say functions. So we say local, I guess, run, local function run. Okay, yeah. And we'll say local function end run. And right here, we'll just, oh, we also need the player, I guess, so we're going to need player, so, yeah, PB comes before you, I think. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, okay, yeah, I'm right. Alright, PS is equal to game, get service, players, and, yeah. Now we're going to say variables. Local player is equal to ps dot local player local car is equal to, yep, there we go. I don't want to do it like that, so humanoid is equal to car, yep. We'll say humanoid. And then we're also going to set up a check. So after here, we'll say local is running is equal to false. And then we simply say if is running is equal to false, or humanoid.walk speed is greater than 16 then. I really want to set up like a, and we'll do it again, we'll do it later. Humanoid.walk speed is equal to 32, oh wait, no. Less than or equal to 16 then. And then we say also is running is equal to true. Yeah. Let's continue, I guess. We'll say if is running equal to true, or humanoid.walk speed greater than 16 then humanoid.walk speed is equal to 16 is running equal to false. Alright, then we simply just say run and run. Well, no, actually, because we're going to say this is for shift. Oh, well, yeah, I guess. Inputs. Shift. Alright, so we say if input, oh wait, no, I haven't even gotten, I am rusty in Ludo, man. Oh my goodness. Alright. Input, input object, game, processed event, well, I guess I'm just going to say game processed boolean. We say if input.keycode is equal to enum.keycode.left shift, then we're going to do run. If input.keycode is equal to enum.keycode.left shift, then we're going to say end run. Oh, I forgot to do this. Let's copy this. And then now, regarding shift lock. Yeah, so, I mean, that's not exactly fun, but, you know. Oh. Whoops. It should be input ended. Yeah. And then, I don't know how I feel about shift lock. I think you should have the ability to do it, but I also think let's see. I know I'm live and there's no one watching me, so I'm gonna quickly go into Forsaken and figure this thing out. Yeah, let's do this. Forsaken. In experiences. No results found? What do you mean? Forsaken. What? Is it my recently played? Forsaken, Roblox, YouTube. Okay, I just have to see what exactly they do. Yeah, why can't I see Forsaken? Forsaken controls, maybe? That's weird. Yeah, why is nothing working? Deep open, maybe? No results found. Okay, it's obviously down, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't know. We'll worry about that later. Doesn't matter all that much. Right about now. What does matter is that I finish this. So we have that done, and we want to find a way in order to I need it. Alright, it's crazy Forsaken's not on my list. I wish I was more entertaining, but unfortunately these live streams are not exactly the most fun. Jet? Alright, let's see. Still no one viewing. Unfortunate. Alright, yeah, it's just control. Alright. Yeah, that was a little too much work. That was not necessary, but it's okay. Yeah, so this is actually a neat trick if anyone's, I bet no one's gonna watch this, but, neat trick if you want to change the shift lock, default keybind. You go into starter player, you get into player scripts, you get this thing called the player module. Copy that, hit, yeah, I'll just show you. Hit the copy button, Control C, then get out of here, and then simply put it, oh, no, sorry, you gotta hit Control Shift V in the same spot, starter player scripts and starter player. And then as you can see, this is simply the module that most of it uses. And if you go into, I believe it's camera module, under player module, you'll find mouse lock controller. In here, you will go, I don't remember exactly where it is, not gonna lie. But there should be an enum.key code. Yeah, here we go. And we want to change this to left control and right control. So if you look at the line, it's 37, although that might change. And then also you're going to see down here, you also want to change these to left control and right control. Now, if you, I'm hitting control, by the way, you can sprint and use control, whatever. But yeah, that's how you do it. And the good thing about this is that you can have a different keybind for what you want to do. And then, yeah, now we're just kind of chilling. Anyways, so there's that. And it has been about 30 minutes since this started. Although that's kind of been short come because of, you know. Anyways, let's go over here and set up an animation station. Ooh, I like that. I like the sound of that. Alright. Avatar is, where's the model maybe? No, home? I am very confused by this new UI. No. Where's the animation editor? I know it's here somewhere. Plugins? No. I was never in plugins, I don't know why. Ooh, add new tab. Oh, that's kind of useful. I like that. Yes. Yeah. Oh, animation. Whoa, that is a different symbol. Doesn't matter too much though. Let's try to make this. I've always wanted to experiment with. Okay, so obviously this is movement, and we're gonna say running animation. Running anim, yeah. Yeah, we'll say anim. Yeah, let's change the frame rate to 12. Maybe, I don't know actually. Who knows, honestly. I think this is what I'm kind of happy with this, kind of not. I didn't get all that much progress done, but I mean, I got a tree, I got that bed, so something. Yeah, I think that is what I'm gonna do for today. Bye, everyone.